Hello IntelliScientist, welcome to the Alan IntelliBrain. We are here to perform the Intelli activity to identify the multiples of a given number. To perform the activity, we are going to need the following material from our Intelli Smart Box. Take out the number line chart, the bunny with its base, and the red tokens from the factors and multiples kit of your Intelli Smart Box. Lay out the number line chart on a table or a flat surface. Fix the bunny in its base and place it at the 0 mark on the number line chart. Now, the bunny is ready to take us to the multiples of any given number. We just have to make the bunny jump and move by taking leaps of that number on the number line chart. And also keep placing the red tokens beneath the numbers where the bunny lands. Let's try it with the number 4. Starting from 0, make the bunny move on the number line chart by taking leaps of 4 numbers at a time. The bunny first jumps and lands at 4, and we place a red token beneath the number 4. This means that 4 is the first multiple of the number 4, and 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. Now we again make the bunny take a leap of 4 numbers. The bunny jumps to 8, and we place a red token beneath the number 8. This means 8 is the second multiple of the number 4, and 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. Then the bunny jumps to 12. 12 is the third multiple of the number 4, and we know that 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. Then the bunny jumps to 16, then to 20, then 24, and so on. These numbers with red tokens placed beneath them are the multiples of the number 4. 4 is the first multiple of the number 4. The first multiple of any given number is the number itself. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and so on. As the bunny keeps moving on the number line chart by taking leaps of 4 numbers at a time, we keep finding the multiples of the number 4. And like this, we can identify the multiples of any given number. Let us repeat the same procedure to identify the multiples of the number 6. Start again from 0 and make the bunny move on the number line chart by making leaps of 6 numbers at a time. The bunny jumps to 6, and we place a red token beneath the numbers where the bunny lands. Then the bunny jumps to 12, then 18, then 24, then 30, and so on. We can see that the first 5 multiples of the number 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. Have you thought about the multiples of the number 1? The bunny can reach every number on the number line chart if it moves by taking leaps of 1 number at a time. And this proves that every number is a multiple of 1. And also that multiples of a number can be as many as infinity. We know after doing this activity, you will have gained the expertise in the following concepts: identification of the multiples of a given number. Every number is a multiple of itself. The multiplication process between a number and its multiple. Every number is a multiple of 1. and there can be infinite multiples of any given number. Now you can choose more numbers to find their multiples and do it yourself. Visualize maths with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.